Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Skiba. So today for writing, we are gonna go and we're gonna have to think really hard about what we did last week. So you guys are gonna get your story sketches. Last week you brainstormed, you thought really hard about some events that happened to you that you may have wanted to write about. And then, remember, we drew 3 pictures of something that happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end. And we sketched out. We drew some pictures. We drew what was happening during those moments. But today, we're actually going to start writing what happened in each picture. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at each picture. Then you're going to say out loud what you want to write about. And then you're going to try to spell each word by saying the word one at a time, just one word. You're going to tap out each sound. You're going to do, let's say you wanted to write the word tap. You're going to say t, a, p. And that's really going to help you get each letter sound. So we're trying really hard to spell our words right. And then we're going to think what letter matches each sound. And we're going to write those down. So, for example, last week, I wanted to write about my cousin and I playing games together and having a sleepover. So I drew 3 sketches. In the first sketch, I had my cousin and I getting the game, and then we played the game, and then we go to sleep. So for that, I said out loud, I looked at my first picture, and I thought, okay, that's us getting the game out. So I said, my cousin and I get the game. I had to sound all of that out letter by letter, try really hard to think about those sounds I was hearing, and then I had to write them down, one word at a time, each letter sound. So then my next picture, I said, okay, that's my cousin and I playing the game. So I said out loud, we play the game, and then I sounded that out, each letter, w, e, p, l, a, the, game, g, a, game. I sounded it all out, letter by letter, to be able to really get all those sounds in there. And then my last picture, it was us going to sleep. We finished the game, we were ready to go to bed because it's our sleepover. She was sleeping at my house. And so I said, I'm going to say, we go to sleep. And then I sounded out each word, w, e, g, o, t, oo, s, l, e, p. Sounded it all out, got all my letter sounds in there, worked really hard to be thinking about my vowels and what sounds that my letters were making all together. So I can't wait to see you guys' writing this week. This is very hard. It does not have to be perfect. We're just going to do our best to spell each word and listen for those letter sounds. I know you guys can do it. You're super awesome, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have a great day.